I know this feeling. You're smart, you're capable, you've read the books, you've listened to the podcasts, maybe you've even done the vision boards, and yet you still feel stuck. You wake up with big ideas, but you end the day wondering where your energy went. Or you start something meaningful and then you find yourself spinning your wheels. Or you dream of change, but somehow you end up repeating the same patterns over and over again. So what gives? Here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not your schedule. It's not your lack of skills. It's not even your circumstances. My name is Monique Rhodes. I'm a happiness strategist. I've taught thousands of people all over the world how to be happier. My courses are used in over 70 colleges and universities worldwide. And this is what I teach. This is what I know. This is what changed my life. It's your mind. And specifically, it's the stories your mind is telling you. You see, your mind's job is to keep you alive, and it's very good at that. It has been cataloging every experience you've ever had, every failure, every embarrassment, every moment of rejection. And it's archived all those moments so that it can help you avoid similar pain in the future. But here's where things go sideways. The mind doesn't distinguish between discomfort and danger. So the moment you're about to try something new, pitch an idea, apply for a job, speak your truth, walk away from something that's not right for you, your mind goes into red alert. So it says things like, this feels unfamiliar, and unfamiliar equals unsafe. Or, this could go wrong, let's not do it. Or, you're not ready, wait until you're perfect. And you listen. Not because you're weak or lazy or unmotivated, but because your mind is loud. And if you don't know how to discern between the voice of truth and the voice of fear, you end up thinking that they're the same thing. I have a student, she spent a decade dreaming of writing a book. So she had this powerful story, she had real wisdom, she had a deep desire to help other people. But every time she sat down to write, her mind said, you're not a real writer, or you're too late, or who do you think you are to share something like this? And so year after year, the book stayed inside her. Until one day, she tried something different. Instead of trying to silence the voice of doubt, she just noticed it. She said, I hear you. I know you're trying to protect me, but I don't need protecting right now. I need courage. She wrote one page. Then she wrote another, then another. It wasn't easy, but with each page, her mind learned, this isn't dangerous, this is growth. And that book is now out in the world. You see, we think that our mind is the enemy, but it's not the enemy, but it's also not the boss. You think your mind is the authority, that if it says something, it must be true, but your mind isn't the boss. It's often not even accurate. It's a machine that's built on memory, on survival, on habit. And unless you consciously rewire it, it's going to keep running the same old programs. Programs based on fear, limitation, the belief that staying small equals staying safe. But here's what's truer than that fear. You were born to grow. You were born to expand. You were born to do things your ancestors only dreamed of. But you can't do that while you're waiting for your mind to give you permission. It won't. You have to move first. So how do you move forward? You start by noticing that voice of limitation. Don't name it. Don't fight it. Just see it for what it is, a protective pattern. Then ask a better voice to speak. Ask the part of yourself that's brave, the part of you that knows what you're capable of, even if you haven't lived it yet. Act from that part, even in small ways, especially in small ways. Because the more you show your mind that you're not dying when you step forward, the quieter it becomes. You don't need fixing. You don't need to be more disciplined or more confident or more prepared. You need to be more willing to act while you're afraid, to move while you're uncertain, to trust something deeper than the chattering thoughts. Your mind's always going to offer you 1,000 reasons to stay exactly where you are, but you only need one reason to grow. Let that reason be your future self, the future self that's free, that's grounded, that it's expressed, that's alive, that's happy. The whole world is waiting for you. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Come and join this little community where we're learning how to be happier. As always, be kind, take care, go gently in the world.